Yeah, hi everybody and welcome to this video. In today's video is super excited about this one. It's the OLSP System Mega Update. Okay, so they've updated their website, they've updated the training. It's now called OLSP Academy. And also, I'm actually going to show you, so stay tuned right to the very end of this video. I'm going to actually show you what you can actually earn, the commissions you can actually earn as a free member. Okay, so make sure that obviously you stay tuned right to the end to find out those. And I think you'll actually be amazed because like some people just say, oh yeah, they force you to upgrade. You can't earn any money without being upgraded. It's not true, guys. You can earn an awful lot of money even as a free member. So what we're going to do, we're going to go through the new site, just show you briefly what it is, explain what OLSP System is. If you're new to my channel and not watched these videos before, make sure you obviously stay tuned. And so let's dive over to the new OLSP Academy and walk you through it very, very quickly and show you exactly why you should be joining OLSP System. Okay, so guys, here we are. This is inside the OLSP Academy. This is my account. Okay, so this is obviously where you would land when you actually sign up for OLSP. Now, before we go on, I will explain exactly what OLSP is. But if you are interested in joining, there is a link below in the description here. You'll come on board and you'll be actually assigned me as your guide through the OLSP Academy and beyond. And obviously I've helped over 5,000 people in OLSP so far. Now, as you can see, my earnings of over $5,800 so far as well. So it definitely is worth your time, guys. So how OLSP works, what it basically is, you're going to be starting to actually build your own profitable affiliate marketing business online. Now, if you are coming in and thinking, oh, I can make that money without doing any effort, think again. Don't bother actually joining. We don't want people that are just going to actually turn up, try and just click a few buttons and then go, oh, this doesn't work. With any business, guys, whether offline, online, if you're going to make serious money, then you obviously have to put in two different things. You can either throw lots of money at it, which you could with OLSP, and you could use loads of tools and that sort of thing and spend a fortune, or get someone else to even do all the work for you, or you can invest time, your time, and build your own business. So, and this is what it's designed for. It's designed for people who want to start their own business. And it's all to do with how you can actually go and start this from zero and with zero investment. Okay, you can start as a free member, and like I said at the beginning of the video, it is false what people say. Yes, you can upgrade and you can obviously earn more commissions and you'll do things quicker. Of course you will, but you can do stuff as a free member. I actually earned my first $600 as a free member, and then I then upgraded and now I've earned nearly $6,000. So it's obviously I'm earning bigger commissions basically because I can actually earn more commissions, and my commission rates have gone up as well by upgrading. But a lot of those commissions you can still earn as a free member, and stay tuned right to the very end because I'm going to show you exactly what sort of commissions you can earn. But first, let's quickly go through the actual site. Like I said, it's all about the training, and all you do is you come in here and then you would click on the Academy Training. Okay, now what this does, you go through all the different units. As you can see, this is a brand new site. It's only just launched yesterday, this particular site, even though OLSP has been around for well over about 18 months. Now, all you've got to do is obviously come into Unit 1. Now, Unit 1 is the only one that's going to be unlocked. So you literally have to just go through the unit step by step. And there's a reason for that, because it shows you step by step what you've actually got to do. If you literally just follow it and then go and actually take action, you could actually easily earn commissions, guys, because this is exactly what I did before. But what they've done now, they've streamlined the training, they've made it more compact, so it's less confusing and easier for people to, especially those just starting out online. So you literally just go through 3 videos on Unit 1, and you literally just click on the watch. the video will come up, and then you just click on the play button here, and Wayne himself is on the videos.
I'm going to give you the answer.
Wayne is actually on most of the videos, and he is the owner of OLSP Academy System. So it's great that he is there every single week. He's there in the lives, he's in the Facebook group, he's very, very active, and he's got your back 100%. Just as everybody has in OLSP. Everybody wants to help everybody else, which is great. And that's what our goal is, to help as many people get out of the rat race, earn a few extra dollars, or even make a possible full-time living doing this. So literally, you just literally work through these units, guys. So the first units, like I say, this is just explaining what the OLSP is and that sort of thing. And like I say, the videos aren't long. Some of them are sort of 15-20 minutes as you go further into the in-depth training. But most of them are a maximum of 10 minutes. Most of them sometimes around about 6-8 minutes, something like that. So definitely just check it out, guys. Like I say, just by clicking the link below, it's free to join, and you can actually earn money. Like I say, I'm going to show you exactly what commissions you can get shortly. Now, Unit 1, like I say, is the introduction. Unit 2 then goes through and explains about the commissions, what you'll get, and introducing OLSP dominators. You also introduces you to your mega link and to mega points. Now, these are all things that obviously it's too much for me to go through in this particular video, and maybe I might do a more in-depth video at some point. But really, guys, the main thing is to get in here and actually go through the units yourself. And it literally just takes you by the hand. All you have to do is go and grab your mega link and then go and share your mega link with other people. There is no selling to do because Wayne does all the selling for you. And that's what's the beauty of OLSP. Okay. And again, like I say, everything is explained exactly where to find things, what to go and do, even down to Unit 3 itself. Shows you how you can use one of their tools to go and prospect and promote your link through Facebook. Now, most people have got a Facebook account, so if you are a free member, this gives you all the tools you actually need to begin with, and to go and just follow these steps. That's all you have to do. If you go further down the line, you go into Unit 4. This starts getting into things like list building, which is actually essential if you're going to have a business online. And also, so again, like I say, everything is done for you. Yes, there are tools. If you haven't got tools, you will be offered certain tools. But again, you don't need to get the tools if you don't want to. There is always the free option, which will not cost you a penny. Now, you might already have some of these tools. You might have an autoresponder already. I certainly have one when I started my online journey 10-12 years ago, and I've still got the same autoresponder. So I didn't need an autoresponder. Already got that, and you might be the same, so that's fine. You can use your own tools as well. So as you can see, guys, it literally is very, very simple. So if you come back across, there's various setups here as well. Obviously you can see where your leads are and things like that. All of this is explained in the training, guys. So everything here, it literally just shows you what you can actually go and do, and you literally just follow the training. It really is so simple. But okay, I said at the beginning of this video, if you hung on, I would actually tell you and show you what the commissions are, even as a free member. And I'm going to go over now to do that. And in the training, obviously, you can download this PDF, because this will actually show you then when you're talking to other people about it and things like that. You could then give them this PDF. Okay, so it says here, OLSP Academy commissions foundation member. Now this would be your free membership. Okay, so free memberships, this is what you're going to be able to achieve. Okay, now as you go through the training, obviously it shows you about Facebook Lives, webinars, and where you can actually go and start promoting those. Now you have to get through the training before you can start promoting the webinars and lives. Okay, but once you do that, if someone actually goes, even they don't even have to be on an OLSP member, but if someone goes and actually buys off of the Facebook Lives or the webinars, typically as a foundation member, you can actually earn anything from $29 to $75, guys. So straight away, that is a big chunk of money. If you get a few people, if you've already got a big audience that are into sort of making money online, maybe they didn't want to join OLSP, but they may be interested in some of the other things that get promoted via our live webinars, etc. You've also got the OLSP Accelerator, where you'll obviously learn more about that inside the actual training, etc. But again, even if you're a free member and someone you refer buys the accelerator, you will get a 10% commission. Look guys, you're not having to upgrade, you're still earning a 10% commission. TD Pages is their flagship product, and it's basically a page builder where you can actually go and build opt-in pages which you can actually use for your business to gather leads and build your email list. And again, with this, there's a 10% commission you can earn even as a free member. And with TD Pages, it's a monthly recurring commission. So again, you will be earning as a free member. Okay. Now, as you bring people in and you share your certain links, now if you were to share your mega link and your mega funnel is set up so that as they go through the funnel, before they actually hit the OLSP Academy page, they will actually be offered certain upgrades and certain little products that are going to help them on their journey. Now you will actually get 20% commission on some of these, on all of these products that are offered. So if they buy before they actually hit the OLSP Academy, you have actually made money off of them and they haven't even started their training, guys. How cool is that? These are the big ones. Everyone sort of says that most companies do not give away high ticket commissions to free members. Normally you would have to upgrade to that high ticket in order to get a high ticket amount. Now, even if you are a free member, guys, if someone came in underneath you and they bought a VIP lifetime access to OLSP, you would receive $300. Wow, that is still quite a big chunk of money, especially as you haven't had to spend a single penny, if you don't want to get that actual thing. I don't know of any other product or service or program out there that actually offers this, guys. You'd normally have to upgrade somewhere along the line before you could get commissions like this. Now, even if they only took out the VIP 1 year access, you're still going to get $150. If you don't upgrade to an OLSP Dominator, then you can't basically, anybody that upgrades below you as a Dominator, you don't qualify for those commissions. So in that respect, yes, you do have to be a Dominator to actually get the Dominator membership recurring commissions. But even though that person is a Dominator, they could then turn out to be a lifetime VIP lifetime, and yes, you would then still, as a free member, still get the $300. Even if this Dominator went and bought TD Pages, you'd still get that recurring commission. So it's only literally the Dominator membership that you're not going to qualify for. Okay, but the only other thing that you're not going to get as well is 2-tier commissions. You don't get that as a free member. So in other words, on all these other commissions, you just get it on the people that you referred in. Okay, if you do upgrade to OLSP Dominator, then it opens up a second tier of commissions. Okay, and again, that goes more into that. I'm not going to go through that too much on this video because it's going to make it so long that you're going to want to click away. But also remember, any other products that releases that OLSP release, you're going to get 10% And for some of the products that they've already released, which you can find them in the back of the OLSP, you're going to get 50% commissions if people below you go and buy those products. So all in all, guys, like I say, there are obviously bigger commissions you can earn, bigger percentages inside the OLSP, but you can obviously earn as a free member. So if you're looking for something that you can actually start, put loads of effort in, because you're gonna need effort, guys. There's no point in saying, yeah, anything that you can literally come in, click a button, and it does it for you. Either doesn't work, or it certainly doesn't work for a long time, or it's just non-existent, guys. So I've been around online for such a long time now that I know what products and services have been out there. Hey, I've tried most of them, and I must admit I've never come across anything as good as this at the moment. Come and join us. Like I say, it's free to come and join. You can come and have a look around. You can go through the training. You can ask questions in the Facebook group, all that sort of thing. Already a member, or you were a member and you fell off and went somewhere else because you couldn't get it to work, come back. The training is much more streamlined now. It's much more focused, and hopefully that training is going to work for you. And if you are, again, like I say, if you're already a member, all you've got to do, remember, you can earn commissions, guys, just literally by referring other people to the system. And then all the selling gets done by Wayne and his team. You don't have to do any selling whatsoever. I know my VIP mentor above me is Neil, and I know Neil has just surpassed over $60,000 in commissions. So this can, if you work at it really hard, maybe you might need to obviously reinvest some of that money back into some of the tools which will help you grow quicker. But it can be a life-changing opportunity, guys. It really can. Okay, so I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch this video next. And also, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and then you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. I'll see you inside OLSP, and I'll see you on the next video.